President Emerson Mnangagwa's quest to extend his term beyond the constitutional limit in 2028 is likely to face resistance, as the military, which is the traditional political power broker in Zimbabwe, is opposed such moves. Aiwa sanapinda mashoko atoona kuti aiwa vakomana vari kubuda panapa vachita aiwa army yes a roadblock for presidential term extension. Aiwa chiti kuchiri kuchuridza nokuti bo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipira muna umwe ngwa mchinzi. While Mnangagwa has repeatedly declared that he is a constitutionalist and he will not seek an extension beyond 2028, critics remain skeptical of his intentions. The news hoax has reported that military sources indicate Mnangagwa will be prevented from pursuing any constitutional changes aimed at prolonging his presidency, despite demands from his ZANU-PF party. The report suggests that the military will leverage its institutional and hard power to thwart any attempts at altering the succession process. The news hoax quoted a military source on Friday as saying, "The army is clear on this issue, very, very clear. The president is to serve his constitutional second term and retire in 2028. Let's not forget that he was not supposed to run for a second term in the first place from the military perspective. Although publicly he seems to be in agreement that he will retire in 2028, in political circles he is speaking a different language and giving different signals, constantly encouraging his core supporters to push for a constitutional amendment for him to stay until 2030. Kuti zama fundo enye moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi yona kuti aiwa vakomana ava vari kuti aiwa isusu we are now done. Tisu tinodecide unyange muna 2017 takazviratidza izvi hazvingambotitadzisi. Vanoyatura masvike kuti aiwa aifana kungorana only one term but akatozorana ichi two, but since ari kuageya kuti 2028 is stepping down, masoja ari kuti tiri kuwirirana nazvo, hatisi kuda any constitutional amendment kana extension beyond 2028. Tudze mafungiro enye muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, usano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.